I'm going to be sneezing glitter for the rest of the season because this is a game changer. Welcome to Caratiti. I'm Ingrid Carlsen, and today we are talking sparkles. If you want to add some glimmer and shine to your holiday season, then keep watching as we make this vintage glitter. I had to run and make a video to show you guys how I took this glitter and some alcohol ink, and the one that I'm using here is called Moss. And look at how beautiful it turned out. That looks like vintage glitter. So we're going to try to do another one. So I got these little cups from Dollar Tree. I've had them forever, so I don't even know. I'm guessing they're in the party supply section. I'm just going to put a little bit at the bottom. And this glitter is old as well, but it's just like a kind of thicker glitter, so you can see the consistency. It's really pretty. And I'm going to grab my alcohol inks. And, oh, that would be a pretty color. This, like, green. Oh, what about a blue? Let's do blue. And I'm just going to add, I'm going to start with, because this is a little bit less than that, so I'm going to start with 1. And let's see what color we get. And when you first shake it, it looks like it's not going to go, so you're going to keep shaking it. I think that you can, look how beautiful. That's so pretty. Look how pretty. So you can still see there's a couple pieces here where it's a little darker. So I think you can still shake it a little more and get it to coat better. And I'm pretty aggressively shaking it. That's so pretty, but I'm thinking, what if we add a little drop of that green? Okay. So pretty. Wait until you guys see the color. So pretty. Look at that color. So pretty. Now I have a white, and I'm wondering what that'll do. Oops, I put a little too much. We'll see what happens. I'm wondering if it'll do anything. I was thinking it might make it more opaque. I'm not looking for it to necessarily lighten. And it did. It almost darkened it. That is gorgeous. Let's do one more. And oops. I like this color. It's meadow. I think that would look really pretty with those. Also this Dijon. This is really pretty, this yellow. I love like kind of those burnt yellows, like yellow ochre. I also have this alloy. Which will it be? You know what I think? I'm going to pull that out. Okay, let me put these away. I think I'm going to try the yellow. This has a little bit of, I think I'm going to switch the lid because that lid had some blue and I don't want it to mix with the blue. And it's funny, at first it looks like it's not going to do anything and it's clumping. And you could probably do this with a little spoon or something, but I figured less supplies is better. So that's very pretty. It's not that dark. It's almost like a butter yellow. So I was thinking, let's add some of this. And this is statue. So this is like a metallic. Let's see what that does. And you can go deeper with the color. Is this right? So that didn't do much. Oh, actually, let's add a little more because I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it made it more vintagey feeling, like mercury glass kind of. Try that again. Oh, that's actually exactly the color I wanted. That is so pretty. And now we're going to try them. I have some little cards that I started altering, and I thought we can add it. I've never used, oh no, the pin was out. Oh, I don't even see the pin on my, no, there it is. Oh, I cannot believe, I usually send the kids up to double check. Oh, it's still wet. All right, well, we'll see. So I'm just gonna, I've never used art glitter glue for glitter. And grab a piece of paper here. And let's start with this color. Look how pretty that is. We're going to do the same, like on the bottom here. And I think that's really pretty. I think I'm going to add a little bit of the yellow. So on that, since I'm only going to use a little bit, I guess I'm going to use my fingers for it. Because I'm probably going to end up tossing the leftover so it doesn't mix. Let me do this. Okay. That's really pretty. I'm going to just take my paper and flatten it just a little so that I can make sure that it is making contact with the glue. Look how beautiful that is. I'm going to run some of the yellow. So pretty. Okay. And I think I'm going to add some yellow to this. I'm going to add it kind of around him. We're going to just lightly pat it. When you dye the glitter, it makes it look vintage. It makes it look like glass glitter. So pretty. I think I'm going to add some of that, the mossy green on top. Maybe I'll do this little edge. That's what we'll do. And I know I'm going to be mixing the glues, the glitters a little bit, but I'm okay with that. It's not that much contamination. So I usually would rather press it down with a piece of paper, so because on your skin it seems to like really stick to. So that didn't give me as big a contrast as I was looking for. So let's try one more. I'm going to try one more. So really pretty. Look how shiny that is. Ah, okay. I am so glad that I did this today, and this is going to be, I'm going to be sneezing glitter for the rest of the season because this is a game changer. I am going to make every color. I think I'm going to run over to Dollar Tree and get more of these little bins so that I can have one for each of my colors. And I'm going to also scope out to see if I can find that glitter there. If not, I know like you can get it at Michael's and Joann's. Tim Holtz has his own glitter. I think the rock candy is similar to this. I'm not 100% sure. And also I'm going to look on Amazon, and if I can find some and if it's a good price and it looks nice, then I'll link it down below. Thanks for joining me for this quick little tutorial, and I can't wait to see how you guys use this. I know you're going to love it. I know you're going to use it if you're anything like me and like the glitter. And even if you're have a little trepidation of using glitter because it gets on everything, and this is the time to try it out. This is the project for it. So let me know down below what you guys think. And if you're not following, hit the follow button right now. Click the like. Thank you so much for all of you for being here and for just spending your time with me. I hope that you've been inspired and that you love this product or this project, and that you have just a beautiful, blessed day. I love you all. Thank you to my patrons, and I'll see you soon. Bye.